Shifting gear and moving to the state of Uttarakhand now, from where we are seeing Dharali rescue update coming in at the moment. So far, 700 plus people have been rescued. Devotees and the locals from other states, they are the ones who have been rescued. The rescuers are now looking at close to 250 people. They are the ones who are still left to be rescued. Close to 50 pilgrims and 200 locals as per government claims. 5 deaths unfortunately took place in these flash floods. The Indian Army says that there are 2 deaths that have taken place. If we speak about the missing figure, 100 as per the Indian Army figures, while 16 are missing as per the state government figures. 9 Army officers have also been missing since day 1. My colleague Anjali is on the spot. She in fact is in Harshal, right next to the bridge that was washed away. Let's take a look at this report.
It's early morning, 9th of August, Raksha Bandhan. But it's no holiday for the people who will be rebuilding this bridge. The bridge that was swept away on the day of the deluge. As you can see, the BRO officials have managed to construct part of it, but it's been challenging. Right now, the skies are clear. The weather seems to be holding up, but yesterday it kept raining. As the evening descended, the water just kept pouring. It was not a heavy downpour, but it was a consistent, incessant rain. As the sun went down and illumination was low, as you can see, the work had to be stopped because of low visibility. But right now, the construction of the bridge, as you can see, probably not even half right now. The reason behind it is it's not easy to construct this Bailey Bridge. There is a curve in it. And this machine was brought in after the first machine failed to take the extension forward. This is a heavier machine, stronger machine to carry the Bailey Bridge forward. And these are the remnants, the components, which will be used to create, as you see, the barriers, and then the road will be extended forward to that concrete block. Now the rescue operations are continuing since the weather is clear. We have seen some helicopters flying, and that means that people are being rescued from the affected areas. But as we've been saying, the road link is important. Last night we saw some people walking down up till that corner, and then a rope was extended to them so that they could cross over. So there are people who are just walking and trying to reach places where they can get some help. And we hope that today, as the work resumes, we will see significant progress as far as the bridge is concerned. But we cannot give a timeline. Neither can BRO, because everything is dependent on the rain gods. From the bridge that is being constructed near Harshal, this is Anjali Istawal with camera person Nasir Khan for India Today.
तो पहाड़ के इस हिस्से से मलबा आया था, जलजला आया था, और उसके बाद धीरे धीरे एक पतला सा, बहुत पतला सा, नैरो सा रास्ता जहां से पानी नीचे आया, उसके पहले उसके साथ मलबा बह रहा था, और उसमें इतनी ताकत थी कि वो सिर्फ सीधे नहीं बहा, बल्कि उसकी धारा बाएं और दाएं तरफ बढ़ रही है। अब आप जो बड़ी संख्या में जिनको देख रहे हैं, वो एनडीआरएफ के वो कर्मचारी हैं, वो जवान हैं जिनको हेली लिफ्ट किया गया था, हेलीकॉप्टर से यहाँ लाया गया था ताकि वो राहत बचाव कार्य में तेजी ला सके। अब कई जगहों पर सड़कें दुरुस्त की जा रही हैं, मजबूत की जा रही हैं, उसी के साथ साथ कनेक्टिविटी को भी रिस्टोर किया जा रहा है। लेकिन कितना डरावना है ये मंजर कि आप कई स्क्वायर किलोमीटर में बसा हुआ ये पूरा शहर, अब यहाँ पर गिन चुनकर 10 से 12 दुकानें दिख रही हैं, उसमें मंदिर भी दिख रहे हैं, उसमें कुछ लोगों के घर हैं, और उसके अलावा अगर कुछ यहाँ पर है तो सिर्फ सैलाब से जो तबाही आई है उसकी तस्वीरें, भयावह तस्वीरें।